to my channel Healthy Lifestyle. I'm your friend Aparna, and today I'm not gonna talk much. I'm gonna show you 15 minutes at home leg workout without any equipment, and especially for beginners. So I don't think we should waste more time. Get in your gym clothes and shoes. Let's get started, guys. See you on the mat. Okay guys, the first one is sumo squat with calf raise. Guys, it's a great exercise to strengthen our legs and glutes. Sumo squats are really beneficial for our inner thighs. We're gonna complete 10 reps for this one. Two more reps and then we're gonna switch. Okay, next exercise. So this one is regular squat with sumo squat. Guys, we're gonna cover 10 reps overall. That means 5 reps each side. Along with that, let me tell you benefits of squats, why I'm focusing more on squats. So firstly, they build muscles, burn calories fast, improves our flexibility, strengthen our lungs and heart. Along with that, it keeps our bones strong, improves speed and our ability to jump. It also improves digestion and circulation. So in short, squats are really beneficial overall. One more rep and it's done. Okay, the third one. Guys, we're gonna hold in sumo squat position over here with calf raise at each side. Make sure you complete 10 reps each side. It again tones the thighs, glutes and calves. Okay, fourth one. We're gonna do pulse lunges. 10 reps each side. In this, try not to touch your knees to the ground. Lunges basically strengthen our back, hips and legs, improves mobility and stability, also helps in toning our bodies. So they are really beneficial. Okay, the next one is side leg squat. We're gonna again cover 10 reps each side. So these squats strengthen the legs, glutes and outer thighs for strong sculpted legs and a fit toned lower body. Last 2 reps, guys, and it's done. Now the next exercise is glute bridge. We're gonna cover 10 reps. I've earlier told as well that this exercise is really beneficial for glutes, of course. Additionally, it's really effective for our hamstrings, lower back and abs. Okay, now switch on to the next one, leg hold glute bridge. Again, we're gonna cover 10 reps each side. It's also considered to be a good toning exercise for butt and core. If it's a bit difficult for you to complete this exercise, instead you can continue with the previous one, glute bridge only, and you can add 20 more reps on that. Okay, now 8th exercise is donkey kick. We're again gonna cover 10 reps each side. Guys, it's really great for both stability and toning. This exercise is beneficial for anyone who has a desk job. and it also helps to improve posture and prevent hip and spine injuries. Okay, so 10 reps from left leg. 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 more, guys. Now next one, in the same position, we're gonna do straight leg donkey kicks with diagonally touching the ground. Make sure cover 10 reps each side. It is again same benefits as in donkey kick exercise. Now 10 from the other leg. Two more reps. Now this 10th exercise is booty lifts. We're gonna do 20 reps up down. First hold for few seconds in this position, then do 20 reps up and down, as you can see in this video. So this exercise basically powers your body, banishes back pain and reduces fatigue. Also make sure that you do not touch your knees to the ground. Next one is standing side leg raise. Cover 10 reps each side. You can take supportive wall or maybe chair if it seems difficult to maintain body balance initially. The benefits of this exercise are like it tones your hips, butts, thigh muscles, and along with that it reduces excess fat and increases lean muscle mass. Next exercise is cross behind lunges. Again cover 10 reps each side. It's a free weight exercise, guys, and it primarily targets the quads. It also targets the glutes, hip flexors and hamstrings, but at a lesser degree. It also helps in giving shape to our body and sculpt our thighs. Five more reps. Okay, now the next one is wall sit, as you can see in this video. Just do it for 20 to 30 seconds initially and then increase timing as per your ability. So this exercise tones your calves, quads, hamstring, glutes and core. It also helps in losing belly fat. Now we're gonna do second lap for all the 13 exercises. Come on guys, you can do this. We'll start again with sumo squat with calf raise, 10 reps. Switch on to regular squat with sumo squat. 10 reps overall, 5 reps each side. 3 more reps, guys. Now again hold in sumo squat position with calf raise at each side. 10 reps each side. Next is pulse lunges. 10 reps each side. Change position. 10 more reps, guys. Okay, now side leg squat. 10 reps each side. Give me 5 more. Now back to glute bridge, 10 reps. Okay, leg hold glute bridge, 10 reps each side. Next one, donkey kick, 10 reps each side. Ten more. Now straight leg donkey kicks with diagonally touching to ground. Again 10 reps each side. Then from other side. Okay, now again booty lifts, 20 reps up down. First we have to hold for a few seconds and then 20 reps. Standing side leg raise, again 10 reps each side. Ten more. Second last exercise, guys. Cross behind lunges. 10 reps each side. Come on. Give me 5 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. Last one, guys. Wall sit. 20 to 30 seconds max. Thighs are burning, I know. Mine too. So, how is the workout? I know, guys, that your thighs must be burning, but if you have completed this whole workout, then that's a reward. Clap. Okay. Guys, I'm picking up all these topics from the suggestions which I get from family members or friends or other people. So if you have any topic which is going on in your mind, then please share that in the comment box below along with your feedback. I'm gonna make sure that I cover those topics in my upcoming videos. Okay then, guys, time to leave now. If you like my video, then please hit on like button, subscribe my channel, and also press that bell icon ताकि जब जब मैं कोई नया वीडियो डालूँ आपको नोटिफिकेशन आ जाए. Please share this video with your friends or family members जिनको भी ये वर्कआउट करना है. It's a very easy workout, बहुत ही basic सा है. And I'm gonna see you guys soon. Till then, stay safe and healthy. Bye. Love you.